my dear students. In today's class, let's revise the lesson before the match. I know you already studied, understood this lesson, but in today's class, let's revise the main idea of the lesson in brief. Okay. As you all know, this lesson is written by R.K. Narayan, or you can also say R.K. Narayan is the author of this lesson, and this lesson is the extract from his novel named Swami and Friends, which he had written in the year 1935, and one of the town called the fictional town Malgudi become very famous in this novel. So R.K. Narayan is the author of this lesson before the match, or this lesson is the extract from one of his most famous novel, Swami and Friends, written in the year 1935. Okay, so now what is the full form of his name? R.K. Narayan. As I know, you already learned about this. Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayana Swami. In short, we call him as R.K. Narayan. So what is his full name? Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayana Swami. Okay, and he was born in the year 10th October 1906 in Madras Presidency. Died in the year 13th May 2001 at Chennai. Okay, so and he also received many awards for his notable contribution, like Padma Bhushan, many Filmfare awards for the best story, and Padma Vibhushan. Also, many of his novels become movies, okay, or films. And these notable works, Swami and Friends, which was his first notable novel, or the most important novel, Swami and Friends, written in the year 1935. Okay, as I already told you, there was a mentioning of a fictional town named Malgudi. Okay, and his other notable novels are The English Teacher, The Guide, A Tiger for Malgudi, The Man Eater of Malgudi. Other than these, there are many number of novels he had written in English. Okay, so R.K. Narayan, we can say, one of the most notable author in Indian English literature. Okay, let us recall before the match is the lesson that we are going to study now, is the extract from one of his novel named Swami and Friends, written in the year 1935, and R.K. Narayan's full name is Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayana Swami, born on 10th October 1906, Madras Presidency, died in the year 13th May 2001 at Chennai, and awards he received: Padma Bhushan, Filmfare Awards for Best Story, Padma Vibhushan, etc. And his notable works are Swami and Friends, The English Teacher, The Guide, A Tiger for Malgudi, The Man Eater of Malgudi. So I hope you understood the introduction of the author R.K. Narayan. So now we are going to understand the lesson before the match written by R.K. Narayan. As I told you, this lesson is extracted from R.K. Narayan's one of the most notable novel, Swami and Friends. Okay, so regularly. So that's why Rajam was worried, because Swami was a very good bowler, very good all-rounder player in their team, and he was not coming for practice. So that's why Rajam was worried, and Swami was famously called as the Tate of the team. What is the meaning of Tate here? Tate is the name of Maurice Tate, the fastest English bowler. So he was means here Swami was like the Maurice Tate, the fastest bowler of the team, and this boy only not coming for practice. So that's why Rajam was very much worried. And that day, when Swami came for practice, by that time Rajam said, you have to come for practice regularly, or else we are going to lose this match. But Swami was very much worried about it, because he was unable to come every day because of the drill class which his PT master was conducting in his school after school hours. Okay, so that's why he was unable to come for the cricket practice, and he told that to Rajam too. It is impossible to come now because I have to give some reason to my sir to come for practice, because he is conducting drill and scouting classes after school hours, he said. Who said this? Swami said this. To whom? To Rajam. But Rajam said only 2 weeks left for the match, and we cannot take a chance, and in any case we have to win this match. And the next day the Swami was in trouble. He was so much worried how to go, what reason should I give to my sir so that I could go and practice for the match. And after the school hours, next day, he went to his sir and he told him that, sir, I have delirium, I cannot do the drill classes, or I cannot do the scouting and all, so please leave me, I want to go home. He told a lie to his sir only because he wanted to go for his cricket practice, because Rajam already warned him about it, right? So he told a lie to his sir, and the sir was not ready to listen to him, and he said, what is your problem? What happened to you exactly? By that time, Swami said to him, I had delirium last night, I didn't sleep, so doctor said you have to take rest at least for 1 week and all that. So Swami started to pretend like he is not well, okay. But his sir did not agree with him, did not believe him. Delirium? What is that delirium? What is the meaning of delirium here? Means after the fever, when you get the fever, you will get some nervousness or that tiredness in your body, that is called as the delirium. Okay. Here we do not know what is the exact meaning of delirium. What came in his mouth, he just told that to his sir. But sir did not agree. He was not ready to listen to him. But here Swami did not leave. He was going behind him wherever he goes in the ground and telling him, I can't do the practice, please let me go, please let me go. Finally, the sir got angry and he just told, get out of here. And Swami felt very, very happy. Okay, so what is the full form of YMU here? YMU means Young Men's Union. And what's the full form of MCC? MCC means Malgudi Cricket Club. And these two clubs are going to play a cricket match after 2 weeks. And because of this, the members of Malgudi Cricket Club wanted to practice for it, because they do not want to lose the match. And here Swami was one of the most important player of that team, so that's why Rajam was worried about. So as I explained to you, Swami felt very happy when his sir told him to get out of me and all. He felt very happy. He jumped with joy and he went for his cricket practice only for 1 day. Now he started to think, what should I do? At least only 1 week left now for the and there is still time for his school to begin. So that's why he went to meet Dr. T. Keshavan to his dispensary, means to his doctor's shop, clinic. He went there, okay. After that, he saw the doctor is inside his clinic, and he went into the clinic, inside the clinic, and told him that he is not well. What happened to you? The doctor asked with the Swami. By that time Swami said, I have delirium. What is the meaning of delirium? Do you know? By that time Swami replied to him, it's some sort of stomachache or something. The doctor laughed at the answer of Swami. But now Swami had no other way, so he started to explain why he came there to meet Dr. T. Keshavan in his clinic so early in the morning. Okay, and he told that I have a cricket match to play against Young Men's Union in 1 week, and we did not get any practice. So that's why I need a fake medical certificate so that I can take it and show it to my headmaster, and he could leave him, spare me for 1 week to go early after my school hours. So by hearing this, the doctor smiled, okay, and he started to check Swami, okay, he checked Swami, and he told him that you are at your pink of your health. Pink of your health means you are perfectly alright, okay, you are so healthy, you are perfectly alright, nothing happened to you. So I cannot give you a fake medical certificate. If I give, I will be in trouble. Who said this? The doctor said this. To whom? To Swami. When he asked for a fake medical certificate to get permission to go home early, he actually wanted to go for his practice, right? But the doctor was not ready to give him the fake medical certificate here. Now Swami, in confusion what to do, again he told him, requested him, so please give me the certificate or else I cannot get the proper practice, and my team will lose the match against YMU. Okay, by hearing this, the doctor told him, I cannot give you a medical certificate. So the doctor told him that I can help you in another way. He said, I will definitely come and speak with your headmaster to leave you early after your school hours, and not to stay for your drill or scouting classes and all. Who said this? The doctor, what's his name? Dr. T. Keshavan told this to Swami. Okay, he agreed to help him. He was so kind, so he agreed to help Swami, and he was not ready to give a fake medical certificate to Swami. Instead of that, he was ready to speak with the headmaster of Swami to leave him early for 1 week after his school hours. Okay, and he wished him all the best to get all success in his cricket match which he is going to play next week. Against which cricket club, dear students? Against YMU, that means Young Men's Union. So this is the brief extract I explained you about this lesson before the match, written by R.K. Narayan. Full form, Rasipuram Krishna Swami Iyer Narayan Swami. Finally, Swami was able to go and practice for his cricket match with the help of the Dr. T. Keshavan, as he spoke with his headmaster, and headmaster agreed to leave Swami early after his school hours for 1 week. Okay, so now let's just answer a few questions. Okay, here your first question is the Swami and friends. Okay, Swami and friends. And your second question is, delirium is a stomachache, headache or none? What is delirium? It's a disturbed state of mind, right? After you get fever, you get disturbed state of mind. You'll be so tired and all. So it is not stomachache or headache. It's none. The answer is none. Okay. The boys named their cricket team as. What is the name of the cricket team of Swami and his friends? Like Rajam and all? MCC. What is the full form of MCC? Malgudi Cricket Club. Okay, Malgudi Cricket Club. Now, do you think the doctor was kind to Swami? What do you think? The doctor was kind to him? Yes, he was a kind man who agreed to help Swami to go for his practice session and all, and he spoke with his headmaster, and the headmaster was ready to leave Swami for his practice also. So we can say the doctor was a very kind man and kind enough to Swami. Okay, and your last question is, what does he offer to do instead? Okay, what Swami asked with the doctor to give him a fake medical certificate, right? But the doctor offered something instead of giving a fake medical certificate. The doctor said, I can do something else. What was that? I already explained to you. He was ready to speak with his headmaster to give him permission to go for his practice early after his school hours. Okay, so here R.K. Narayan, the author of the lesson, very beautifully, very interestingly written this novel Swami and Friends, in which you can find many such stories like before the match. Okay, the main characters are Swami and his friends only in all the